Hey guys, welcome back to Rattler Farmstead. I'm gonna do a little bush hogging video, but I'll be down in the woods. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my standard bucket off and put the grapple on. I haven't got around to making one, so I'll try to. It's a Carolina HD 68. I love this thing, man. It's awesome. It's a short shank for using the. It works really good for like getting saplings and stuff like that out. But you'll see here in a little bit. And again, the 574, outstanding tractor. So let's get to the video. Pull up in here, we'll drop this bucket off and get to the grapple. Everything about the TYM, I mean, it's really nice. It's nice to have a versatile tractor. Any tractor can do the same thing. Had to move my hose the other way, I don't want to sink it. Make sure she's on there. Then you always want to cut your tractor off and bleed off your hydraulics. Make it easier on you for hooking up. All right, let's go see what we can do. Hope this rain hose off for a little bit so we can get the stuff done down here. I've been wanting to do a grapple video for a while. Tell me that. I'll do this one, then I'll do a better grapple video with like loading logs and putting them on the sawmill. I know, you know, people, some of you guys probably got sawmills. And I'll tell you what I like about this grapple, because with the other grapples, they're so big and the shanks are so long that they hit the bed of your meal. This one where you kind of just grabbing the side though, you set it down and you're not hitting the bed of your meal. So again, enjoy the ride. Take a few minutes to get down here in the woods. trails down here, a lot of them hasn't been open in, say, 20 years. But that trail, that one hasn't been open in, I said, like 22 years. And it was real bad. There was a lot, only 2 days. So then it opened up, and there's so many trees laying across it. I don't think this one down here is gonna be as bad, but I'm not sure. Hello? I'm going down there making a video. Singing trails. That flare mower. Going up here or no? Alright, love you. Bring back. I had a couple of bears on my trail camera. And a really nice buck here. I hope I beat today and take one of them. But you know, if they come out while daddy's in the stand, alright, so we'll start here. Get the old bush hog cranked up, and also, you know, this thing with the flip clutch is awesome. It'll kind of be like a grapple flip clutch video, but the flip clutch is really worth it. You ain't got to worry about breaking your shear boat. And some of the stuff some of the stumps and stuff out here, I would have probably done broke 4 or 5 shear bolts. Flip clutch, it'll let it keep on spinning, and then you get off of it, you're right back at it. You ain't got no downtime. But the main thing when you're doing stuff like this, you just gotta go slow and pay attention, because you don't wanna tear your equipment up. And you don't wanna knock something down on your head. Like I say, just small stuff, I'll come back, change it all, get it down. I just wanna get it so I can get through here. Take a little bit at a time, because you don't know which way it's going to break or fling back or what it's going to do. See like that right there, waiting to fall down on it. Thanking it, I get that stump. Gotta loosen up a little bit. Yeah, push off. Yeah. kind of red. You got the oak tree and then all the pine trees. That's good, but you can't get go nowhere. And then like this, if you're doing something like this with the stump ball, you want to try to always keep it in the center. That way you're not going to twist or push your lift of the arm. Got the stump pro glue down there. Let's see what we can do with the tree. If I get it right on the other side, I can push the stump ball back this way. Pick it up a little bit. Everything get on the ground, I can do something. They come a little bit at a time. Oh, but they didn't get it. Wait on. Let's get up here and then I. There. And I like to run with the grapple just a little bit of above the ground like that way. You know, but it's something else. Stomp. feel that before I hit it with the bush hog. Well, we made it back to this intersection. Whew. All right. So, I mean, that kind of gives you an idea. I mean, that's what she looks like. Opened up. But I mean, you can see the size of that pine right there. That's 12 boot. I mean, as far as, I'd say it's probably 45, 50 foot long. But I mean, the TYM, you pair it with the, the right attachments, that 574 should do some work. Like, I just can't say nothing bad about, the grapple, the bush hog, or everything's been great for me. Like I say, this is just kind of a little trail clearing video that hasn't been cleaned up for a long time. In particular, that you might be interested in seeing, just leave me a comment. Or if you got, think of a better way to do something, let me know. I'll try it. I ain't afraid. But appreciate you guys watching. Like always, better start small than not start at all.